Hey guys, I always forget to do like introductions, but like Kayla's here. Like this is the day. Oh my god, Max, Kayla's here. She is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But I go. Yes, that's my other best friend. You just, oh my god, you're so real. How was it? Was it smooth? Because you don't understand how like excited I get. Like, is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, it's Kayla. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kayla's. Oh my god. I'm hyperventilating. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry. Why are you apologizing?
Because I had a lot of gas, so I was like slowly coming up here. Cause like.
Oh, gas?
Yeah.
Like fart?
Yeah. Like,
What is going on with everyone today? But no, I was on my way down here and I seen Max, bro. And she's coming out of the bathroom. She's like, oh my god, I just took a fat shit. I was like, oh. Yes, dude. Oh my god. No, we're not singing this, bro. I'm scared.
yo, what's like?
Oh god, what?
This used to be so funny to me. It's not even that funny.
Yeah.
I was dying at this in the car for not even joking. It was like a whole hour.
Bro.
I know why. It's because of the comments.
Oh, really? It's a long time ago. That's so funny. Oh my god. Oh my. So, fireworks? Wait.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn Ateez.
Before we got cut off, we're gonna be learning firework by Ateez because we are idols in training and we just always need practice because we're idols in training and that's just what needs to happen.
Yeah.
안녕. 죄송합니다. Guys, wait.
지금 우리
Actually,
Actually, he says 지금.
it's not.
Think about that. Hey.
I'm so cooked, bro. Oh no, I'm not. I'm talented.
Part, and this video is just for the explanation and has a separate video for the slow music tutorial. We're gonna start right from the chorus part. I'll be showing you first with the counting and then we'll go step by step. So, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go to the back. Like this, lean back to the right, and then in the middle, in the back, in the left,
Okay.
and then from here, you want to jump, close your legs together, and push like that. Okay?
Wait,
so
wait.
you're pushing forward.
Okay.
Like that. Okay? 7, 8,
Oh.
3, and 4, and.
Wait,
From
what?
here, 2, 3, and 4, and.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay? So this is right
Okay.
close.
Oh,
So,
no.
it's really fast.
Do it.
After 3, 5, and 6, and 7,
Oh.
8. Like that.
7,
Now, let's see from here on count 2. You wanna roll your chest going forward. 2, and then 3, and 4, and. Last on count 3, you wanna have your arm. You know?
Yeah, she
So,
definitely got better at
he
doing
does it like this.
Right left.
Jump right left like that. But you wanna add the knees. So
No.
you go 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7.
Whoa!
2,
No.
4, 5, 6 and 7.
Where are you going?
So, and then from here, arms up, and we go 2 and 3, 4, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, then from here we go 5, 6 and. So this part you want to have your right arm and right leg go around. Now we're turning to the left, and then from here up, down. Okay, so your body and like you're going up and down with your arms. 5, 6 and like this. And you want to have your stomach. And then throw on count 1, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and. So this part. 5 and 6 and then from here open your arm, you kick with your right leg. Okay, so 7, and from here close your leg, point up, and then when you point down, right leg is going to go up. Okay, 8, 5 and 6
Oh shit.
and 7, 8 and like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and
Oh my god. Hey guys, you guys got to see a little bit of the beginning of our little dance tutorial. Not all of it. We're getting somewhere. Like, hey guys, so we've been dancing for literally hours on end, hours straight. So we're gonna try to like go through town to see if we can find something to eat because we burned off all the calories. Like we're so hungry, bro. There's so many stars. I mean, it's not a lot, but like it's like no, this is a lot to me, bro.
Before I come to college, we're looking at
Oh
stars
my
together.
god, that's
Like,
so
wait.
beautiful. I don't even. Oh my god, it's so pretty, bro. See you guys. So we ended up going to the store. It was kind of crowded, so I didn't want to pull out you guys, but we're having a nice picnic in the rec room area, and it's so good. They have such good food. We would have missed it. It's gonna be so yummy. You trying in this Whoa, that's going too fast. Oh my god. Hey, let's see how far I can do the splits. I doubt far, but it hurts so bad. I was getting close, but hey guys, hey! You ready?
No. You see my picking right around my ass? No, you don't.
guys, that was kind of interesting because it's so fast and like, it's so fast and like, yeah. Oh my god. Hey guys again.
What? A ghost? Oh my god, it's bluffering, bro.
No, take 2.
I literally messed up so bad. It can't be like side by side. So like, someone has
like
to be
by.
Yeah, someone has to be up and someone has to be farther back. So I don't mind either.
Okay, okay.
I think we should do two okay. Yeah, okay.
Where's my feet? Where are my legs going?
Real.
Okay. That's so scary. That's so scary.
That was so good. I just sticked on my legs. Yeah, that's why. I went, oh my god.
What is that?
Fashion.
Oh, good grief. Oh my god, I was like, who's that in the camera? It's literally you, bro. Okay.
Yeah. Serving
Oh,
cut.
so
So we got serve cut in the.
Take 1001 and 24K Ultra Premium. Why did I start doing this again?
Man. How, bro?
Jumping. Hey squad, so we're going again. It's night 2. Oh my god, it's literally raining too. We're gonna go get something to eat again, cause ew, the wind. Oh my, no, it's literally, no, this umbrella's literally gonna blow me away. Like it's not gonna be able to.
You stop making me laugh.
Bro, I'm being so serious. There's a car coming, you better hurry up or you're gonna get ran over, bro. Ah! Struggling on what to decide here. What does she want? What does she want? I got root beer, cause so far.
I don't know if I want vitamin water. I don't want it to mess up anything because I haven't been getting sick. So like I'm like.
The wheel's about to decide.
Right there.
Oh my god, I'm like, oh, vitamin water. Did you even want that? What? If you're
Like we get Sprite. I just don't
Sprite.
want sugar.
I haven't had soda in so long. Ooh. How is it? Was it real nice? Was it real nice?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna see you guys when the
Pizza's here.
food gets here. Okay, bye.
$2.
Literally. Guys, the food got here. Oh, whoa.
Is that mild?
Yeah, true.
This is just cheeseburger. Should be ours, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. Is this mild or?
No, it's barbecue.
Oh, that's not ours. Okay, we'll for real get back with you guys when the pizza's here. Guys, the phone finally
Not in
came.
my mouth.
What did you just say? Not in your. Oh my god, God.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh, hang on. Oh my god, the mild. Oh, that's so fire.
Get a nice close up on that pepper anywhere. It's so crazy. Clock it.
There's no time for talking. Okay, bye.